Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to link your Marvel Rivals account to your Steam account. First, you need to go to your Steam. In the store, search for Marvel Rivals and click on it. After you get in here, you will see this play game button. Click on it and it will install and download your Marvel Rivals from Steam, and it will automatically connect with your Steam account. So what else you can do is you can go to marvelrivals.com and here click on login at the top right corner beside download, and you will see all these options. You just need to click on Steam and you need to log in to your Steam account, of course, and that's it. You can also log in with your other accounts, but as this video concentrates on Steam, so here is a Steam. And these are two methods to connect your Marvel Rivals account with your Steam account. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe to this channel and I'll meet you guys in the next video.